Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power outlets are not working. So you will have one power outlet in here and there will be one power outlet just on the back side of the middle console. Okay, I'll record it as well. It's just down here. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. First two fuses to check will be located in a small fuse box just next to the passenger left leg down here. Now to remove this cover you want to pull it towards yourself and pop it off. That way you will get access to all of the fuses, and on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check is fuse number 13, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse responsible for the power to the front power outlet. Just under that fuse is fuse number 17, which is also a yellow 20 amp fuse responsible for power to the rear power outlet. So in this fuse box you want to check these two yellow fuses. You will have one more fuse to check in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just under this cover. Now to leave this cover you will have two black clips, one on the right side and one on the left side. To unlock it you want to press this clip together like this and lift it up, and you will do the same on the other one as well. So push together and lift it straight up, and that way you can remove the cover. And again on the back side of the cover you will have a fuse diagram. And right here, this plastic piece, it's a fuse remover, so you can use it to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 26, located right here, and it's again yellow 20 amp fuse responsible for power to the rear power outlet. So altogether you will have three fuses to check, one for the front power outlet and two for the rear power outlet. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there's lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.